Hi guys, today we're going to teach on how to change your banner in Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The tools that we will need or the sites that we will need for this video is the following: Unsplash, an online image compressor, and Canva. And from there, let's first look for a background that we want to use. For this example, let's try to use gym as our niche. And please note that the Shopify resolution is 1800 by 1000. So we need to take note of that. Choose the landscape option. And from here, we can choose whatever we want. Let's say that we're going to choose this. We're going to download for free. And from there, let's go on over to Canva and insert the following resolution: 1800 by 1000. Create the design, and from there we're going to drag our downloaded images here into here. Now from here we're going to adjust how it fits and make sure that it is well optimized to our liking. So from there, now we're going to put a header or a heading to our background. Let's put a generic one like no pain, no gain, like that. We're going to adjust it to whatever design we want, put an outline like that. So from there, we're going to simply download it to JPEG. Download. And from there, after downloading the image, we're going to move over to our image compressor and drag it here. And from there, once it's loaded, simply download it. Now we're going to go over to Shopify. Go on the home page, we're going to go to online store, customize, and from here, let's go on over to header. We're going to simply select the image that is on default. Now we're going to input or drag the image that we've downloaded here. There you go. And now I'm going to press save. And now from there, once we go back to our home page, here, online store, and it will be changed to the page that we've created, or the background that we've created. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.